In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate the Shopify platform, specifically focusing on using marketing tools to enhance your online store's presence. If you're just getting started with Shopify or looking to optimize your existing store, you're in the right place. We're going to dive into a few simple steps that will have you up and running in no time. First, let's start by going to the Shopify dashboard. From your favorite web browser, navigate over to your Shopify store's admin panel. If you're not sure how to find it, you typically access it by typing in your store's unique Shopify URL and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin interface, which is essentially your command center. Here you can manage everything from orders and products to your store's performance metrics. Now, let's focus on marketing, which is an essential component of driving traffic and sales to your store. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a menu with various options. Here, locate and click on Marketing. This section is dedicated to all your marketing activities. It's where you can plan, manage, and track your marketing campaigns, and it's instrumental for reaching potential customers and driving sales growth. Once you're on the marketing page, you might see some options laid out for you, like campaign suggestions. But what we want to focus on is augmenting your marketing toolkit with some powerful Shopify apps. To do this, direct your attention to the right-hand area of the screen and find the button that says Explore Apps. Clicking on Explore Apps will take you to the Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store is an extensive marketplace where you can discover a wide variety of apps designed to help you better manage your marketing efforts, among other things. Here you can find apps that help with social media marketing, email campaigns, SEO, and even track the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. The apps are categorized to streamline your search, whether you're looking for something specific or just browsing for new ideas. Browsing these apps can be a bit overwhelming due to the sheer number of options available. To make this easier, use the search bar to find apps that match your specific needs. Tags and reviews are helpful tools here. Read reviews from other Shopify users to gauge how effective an app might be for you. Remember, while many apps offer free trials or have free versions available, some can be a bit costly. So consider your budget before choosing. By integrating the right apps into your Shopify store, you can enhance your marketing efforts significantly, allowing you to reach more customers and ultimately boost your sales. Feel free to experiment with different tools, as finding the right combination can make a substantial difference to your store's success. And there you have it. These are the essential steps to making the most of Shopify's marketing capabilities. With these insights, you'll be well equipped to optimize your store's performance and drive growth.